My dream job, absolute best job in the world, would be working for Bill Gates and being able to give my advice for a price. He asked me, what do I think about Loghorn? It sucks. Redo it. I get a few million. What do I think about the new Apple computers? Their OS, it's great. You should copy it. Don't get caught. I get millions. How could you ask for anything more?
My dream job would be to work at the United Nations. Um, I would like to work there because I could work in a very multicultural environment, and I would be allowed to travel a lot and experience many different types of countries and lifestyles.
My dream job? Well, I'd like to be an NHL hockey player, an all-star in the NHL, getting paid millions of dollars a year, scoring a lot of goals, having lots of people honor me and look up to me, and just to be a good hockey player.
What is my dream job? My dream job is to work in a mass communication company, and I think I'm a very creative person, so I would like to do a very creative job. So I think a mass communication company can let me provide those creative thoughts and ideas.
My dream job would involve, first of all, a very, very high salary. I would start work at about 10 a.m., lunch at 12 for 2 hours, and then work in the afternoon until 4. I think I would spend half the year in the northern hemisphere and then half the year in the southern hemisphere, just so that I could have summer all year long.
My dream job is to have my own business. At the moment, I'm really into snowboarding, and so I'd love to have a snowboarding tour company. Every year I'm going snowboarding, and I have a lot of experience in teaching snowboarding, instructing, and also I'm at university now, so I'm learning how to run my own business and accounting, etc. So I'd love to own my own snowboarding tour company.